Yesterday at this court case here in the Kimberley High Court, it was revealed that the 30-year-old Aldean Wilkinson, who is accused of killing 28-year-old Danielle van der Linde, who was pregnant in May, that he revealed that he wants to enter into a plea bargain with the state. Now, we know that when he applied for bail, the magistrate made it clear that she believes that the state actually has a strong prima facie case against the accused. So it's evidently clear then that the accused he was in talks with his defense to discuss the best possible way forward. So in that section 105, it is then the state and the defense that need to be in talks with each other to discuss the best suitable sentence before the accused can then plead. So yesterday when the trial was supposed to start, he then made that revelation, and we know that the trial was supposed to end on Friday. But in conversation with me now, and just to get the sense of how the victim's family feels about this, I was in conversation with her yesterday as the sister of Danielle van der Linde, Bianca Sal. Thank you very much once again, Bianca, for your time. Yesterday the trial was supposed to start, but it didn't. It was a short appearance in court. You were called by the state. What did they tell you?
We got a clear understanding of that the lawyers have spoken and what to expect. And they have asked the family how we would feel. We have a clear understanding of what can be able to take place here today, Reggie. I don't think that my sister will get the justice she deserves for her death. The family has been devastated yesterday. I don't think one of us closed an eye, because it's very heartbreaking thinking that someone's life would end and you would come to an agreement on a less year of serving and not serving your murder case properly. It doesn't give any family any closure, because you feel that your loved one's death has been in vain and that the justice system would fail you in that way. You would start wondering why people are fighting for GBV, and this is the mindset of killers out there, that they would just kill women and children and end lives because they can get an easy off sentence, and then in good behavior they would be out sooner. So families out there fighting for GBV and justice for their families, it's very hard to come to court and to hear that your family member or someone that you love's life has been ended tragically, and that this is the easy way out for anybody.
I hear what you are saying, that you feel that the justice system will be failing you should he get a lesser sentence. What would you say should authorities look at for people to get the relevant sentences for these heinous crimes that they are accused of?
Until death penalty doesn't come back, GBV will never end. We will keep on losing our children and women in this world. It will be excruciating to find any justice in this world. The way I had to see my sister die, my life would never be the same. I would never sleep properly. I would live on medication for the rest of my life. There is no way that people would find any justice until death penalty comes back.
Thank you very much. All the best for today. I know that court proceedings might have started already. Well, that was Bianca Sal, the sister of 28-year-old Danielle van der Linde, saying that they feel that the justice system is failing them now that 30-year-old Aldean Wilkinson, who was accused of the murder of her sister, might get a lesser sentence. Now, that incident happened in May this year. He fled the scene, and the day thereafter he was accompanied to the police station with his brother when he handed himself over, and he has been in custody since. He was denied bail. A petition also was handed over to the court. 164 community members signed that petition for him not to get bail. But we will be hearing what will come out of court today, whether this trial will proceed or whether the defense and the state will proceed with that plea bargain.